Hey there folks, my name is Luke, this is beautiful Susan, this is the Outdoor Gear Review, where today we have some viewer mail to open from one of my good buddies, Doc Bushcraft.
Yes, this came all the way from Scotland.
Let's see what the Doc has sent.
Ooh, looks like we have some King's Irish beef, so some jerky.
Nice.
Nice.
Wow, thanks buddy. I'm about to dig into that.
I could tell.
Yeah, I'm hungry. This is pretty cool. This is a 24-hour Operation Ration Pack. So it's like an MRE sort of thing. So let's check out what's in the box,
Very cool.
everybody. So to start off here, we have some rice pudding. We have some vegetable curry and rice, which sounds freaking awesome.
That does sound
I
good.
love curry. I really like the packaging here. We have tuna bean pasta. Tuna in light mayonnaise. Sweet. We have some tropical fruit and nut mix. So we have some dark chocolate biscuits, cookies.
And hot chocolate.
We have some fruitful muesli with milk.
Check this out, your little Tabasco sauce.
That's awesome. That's probably the smallest bottle I've ever seen.
A raspberry drink.
This is a lemon energy drink. So we have tutti frutti flavored drink and a grapefruit powdered drink. Some candy. Guys, this is just awesome. Let's see, we have some instant coffee, some more instant coffee, all different types of tea, alcohol wipes, we have some sugar, creamer, some matches. How cool.
That's very cool.
Sweet menthol V6 mint. Wow.
Nice. And then you have some Kleenex, some cereal bars.
Nice.
And a fruit bar to
Wow.
sum it all up. So that's pretty cool.
That is very cool. Yeah. So everybody, Doc Bushcraft, good dude.
Please find enclosed one of my multi-climate operational ration packs and some British ribeye flavored jerky. I hope you have fun trying this out.
Yes.
That's awesome.
I'm going to save this for my next military overnight adventure.
Yeah, you have one coming up and this is perfect. Very nice letter.
Yeah, thank you so
Very
much,
cool.
buddy. You really are appreciated, man.
But the thing is like you don't have to save both of these.
No, let's go ahead. Let's cut one up. You pick
Okay.
which one.
They're the same. So
Oh, okay.
Let's try it.
Oh, man. It smells awesome.
Ooh, it does. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ladies first. In all things, guys, remember that. You want to be married for 20 years like me? Ladies first.
It's very good.
Oh, it's so soft. Mm-hmm.
Excellent.
Oh, man. That is fantastic. Best beef jerky ever? Question mark? What do you think?
It has the perfect texture
Mm-hmm.
and softness.
Wow. I don't know if we can find this in the United States,
I
but
don't either.
I'm going to try. It is really, really good.
Unfortunately, a lot of the beef jerky that we find and eat, even if it tastes good, it's so tough.
That is just so flavorful. Scott, Doc, thank you very much, my friend. You are appreciated. Everybody have a great day. Strength and honor. See you guys around.
Bye.